Alison. I'm just checking in. We are making some videos to see how everyone is doing. And we are just sending out some things you can do at home to help stay positive and just help ease some of the anxiety. So one of the really cool things about massage is that just 6 seconds of skin-to-skin contact with someone else will start to release dopamine which is a feel-good hormone in our body. That's one of the reasons why you feel so great coming out of massage and why massage therapists tend to be pretty happy. So while we're at home with our families, I'm going to teach you a few things that you can do to help massage each other so that you're getting these dopamine releases that will help calm your anxiety a little bit. So one of the great ones you can do is on your hand. So make sure you wash your hands first, but I'm going to do it sideways. But taking your hand and just putting your thumbs together, and you're going to do a circle with both thumbs in the palm of the hand. So you're going to come up, and you're going to come down, and you're going to come up, and you're going to come down. So it feels really nice. The slower you go, the more relaxed you start to feel. And so if you start quickly, that's okay. And the slower, in any area of massage, the slower you go, the more relaxed our nervous system feels. And so it feels really great. You don't have to use a lot of pressure. You can. Whenever you're massaging someone, always check in with them and see what they like. If they want a little bit more, go a little bit more. If they want a little less, go a little less. It's all about just practice and trial and error. So after the hand, if you've ever had a massage with me, it's so nice to get your forearms massaged. And I tend to do it a lot. So you can take your thumbs and you can come up to the elbows. I'm actually going to demonstrate on myself. So you can kind of come up along your forearm. Right at your elbow, there's that nice thick part of a muscle, and you can just grab it and then rotate your thumb around. You can use oil, you can use lotion, whatever you feel. Most of us use coconut oil here, but you don't have to at home. And just always trying to go towards the heart with your pressure, because that helps the flow of the blood. You can come from the other side as well. So I'm doing it backwards because I can't flip my hand this way, but coming from here all the way up the sides. And then always do a nice flush, like a nice long flush at the end. So always talk with the person that you're massaging to what pressure is being used, because that's what's going to make you feel really good. And the second one I'm going to do is a nice easy neck massage. And so a lot of people feel really nervous about giving neck massages because they feel like you are going to hurt your neck. As long as you're not twisting and bending and moving the neck in a lot of weird positions, it's really difficult to hurt someone with massage. As long as you're checking in, making sure you are not using too much pressure. So you can absolutely lose a little bit of pressure. So what I like to have is have a pillow across and have the person's head in my lap, and we're going to start as far down as your hand will come. Again, this is really nice to use lotion with. As far down as your hand will come, and slowly bring your hands up on either side of the spine. So we want to have the spine in the middle, and you're going to bring our hands up all the way up to the base of the neck. We're going to come across the neck, and then we can switch to our thumbs and bring our thumbs down the side. So right along that nice upper trap. So we're going to come all the way from the base, all the way down, and repeat. So come down and up, switch your hands, all the way down the neck, okay? So that's a really nice one, lots of times, nice and slow to do. Another great one is right along the neck, grabbing that upper trap, levator scap area, grabbing it and holding it. Most people will have trigger points, like kind of hard knots in there. So just talk with your person that you're massaging. See if they want to hold longer, if you want to go left, you go right. Every spot is different, so just work on finding that area. Hold for as long as it feels good for your person, let go, and then do a couple of those nice flushing motions, okay? Hope those are some nice tips that you can do. Remember, it's really important as our anxiety grows that we find ways to bring it down and skin-to-skin contact with people we're isolated with is an awesome way to do it. All right, if you guys have questions, you can put them in the comments, and we'll be checking them on Facebook, and we'll be checking them regularly to hopefully answer any of your questions. All right, bye guys.